Well, what's up, guys? Let me show you this cool bike mount for your phone. This guy right here is called the Velocity Clip, and basically what it does, it takes any smartphone, you put it in here, it's really secure, then you can mount it onto your chest, your helmet, or your bike handlebar, and you can kind of turn your phone into a GoPro, start filming with it. You can get cool action shots from all angles. So when you put it in your bike mount, all you really need to do is adjust the angle of your shot up to 180 degrees, and when you tighten that guy up, you're done. Really simple process. Now you can start filming with it or use GPS. So if you want to pick one of these up, these guys run about 40 bucks online, comes with free shipping. Just run over to velocityclip.com, check it out, let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.